Wet fry beef liver. Oh my goodness, I really enjoyed doing this recipe. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, share my videos, comment, like, as always. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook my wet fry beef liver. And yeah, sit back as always, relax, and take some tips from this video. I hope you enjoy. And for the ingredients, I have the liver itself, the main dish. I'm gonna use some red onions, some tomato puree, some capsicum, some garlic there, vinegar, soy sauce, and for the spices, I'm gonna use one spoon of curry powder, half spoon of paprika, quarter spoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper with some royco there. So first, I'm gonna season my liver with some salt and vinegar. And if you don't have vinegar, you can go ahead and use some lemon. That helps in removing the bloody smell in your liver. So I'm gonna use 1 spoon of vinegar, and some salt there, and mix everything together and set it aside for like 10 minutes. I have the cooking oil inside the pot and it has heated so well that is gonna help in deep frying my liver before I start cooking. And deep fry your liver until golden brown, then transfer to another plate and use the same cooking oil to fry your onions and the rest of cooking. After my onions are halfway cooked, that is the time I go ahead and add my spices and my garlic and let it simmer for like 3 to 4 minutes before I continue with the next step. After 4 minutes, that is the time I go ahead and add my tomato paste. Cook together with the spices until the raw taste is over. And guys, if you really love this video, give it a thumbs up because it helps me so much. Don't forget to do that, please. Okay, you can see my spices, my onions, my tomato paste is well cooked, and that is the time I go in and add my tomato puree. And also, if you love some cubes, you can go ahead and add. I added some cubes in my puree. By the way, you can do away with spices if you don't love them. At that stage, you can only use the garlic, onions, and a tomato, and you're good to go. But if you love spices like me, then well and good, I can use them. So add your capsicums and allow that to cook together with your tomato puree, and yep. Ooh, I loved the aroma. So when the paste is halfway cooked, that is the time I go ahead and add my liver so that it can absorb the sweetness from that paste. The aroma, woo. Mix everything together The spices changes everything. It gives your food the best flavor ever. So add your soy sauce, your dark soy sauce, just a little bit of it, and mix everything together and allow that to cook. I'm salivating. Ooh, it's looking so good. Try this recipe and tell me on the comment section. I'm sure you will love it. Just try it. Let's check on our liver, and you can see the consistency. It's very, very thick, and that's the time you know your food is well cooked and it's ready to be served. Look at that wet fried beef liver. Oh, it's looking delicious. It was delicious. Guys, you can see the final results. I will highly recommend for you to try this recipe, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will truly appreciate that. I served my wet fried beef liver with some turmeric rice, and if you haven't watched this recipe, just go in my videos and you will find the turmeric rice recipe. You will surely love the results. Until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.